Against the backdrop of fires and smoke, rioters threw bricks and bottles at police officers while they were attempting to restore order.
Put your hands behind your back.
Last night's violence started around 7:30 when police attempted to arrest 3 men for drinking in public. Police say one of the men resisted arrest, pulled away from an officer, and lunged at her with a knife. The officer fired her gun, hitting the man in the chest.
Time to go. Let's go.
What?
Word spread through the crowd that the man had been handcuffed when he was shot. A charge police and some eyewitnesses deny. The conflicting reports only angered the crowds. Some of the anger was directed at witnesses who saw the shooting. A crowd of 150 or more, most of them Hispanic, confronted police. Police tried to negotiate a peaceful solution. It is not known exactly how many Spanish-speaking officers were present. At one point, police officers were ordered to back off in order to defuse the situation. The crowd surged forward and police retreated down 16th Street Northwest. Police then brought in tear gas. The crowd scattered. Some regrouped at Mount Pleasant and Kenyon Streets Northwest. Another riot began. People threw bricks and bottles into store windows and then looted the premises. It wasn't until the rains came that the crowds began to disperse.